for nothing. Come on.
Okay, go ahead and stand up first, Rosa. Go ahead and stand up.
Hold on.
We're gonna adjust your shirt.
Thank you.
We'll get that off in the car. Yeah, that's, I think so. Yeah, that's her stuff. That's all her stuff. Someone talk about it real quick. Alright, go ahead and stand up for me, Rosa. Come on.
For what? What are we doing?
Because I asked you to. You're under arrest. So he's gonna transport you. We're gonna transport you. Just gotta do a quick pat down, okay? So go ahead and stand up. There you go. Come to the front of my car, okay? You don't have... Okay.
You know I'm not a friend.
Then why'd you fight me?
You're fucking doing this because you fucking...
Hang on.
No, because you didn't like what the fuck I said.
That's not...